So you guys, I have had this problem like for years and years and years. I've got a Wix site, and every time I share my Wix site, it shows Google Plus. Why? I don't know. I have no clue. And so I've actually done a whole bunch of things to try to fix it. Like I add an image on like my homepage and all this stuff. Nothing ever fixed it. And I felt really bad because one day my lovely friend here, Jean, said, I'm having the same problem and I don't know how to fix it. Anyone know how to fix it? And I just had to like put my head in the sand and be like, no, I have no idea how to fix it. In fact, I have the same problem. And then the next day, you guys, I am not kidding you. She's like, I found the solution and it's 3 easy steps. I'm like, no way. And so I followed her 3 easy steps and bam, just like that, I now have an image of me instead of an image of Google Plus when I share my website. So I'm going to introduce you guys to Jean. Hey, Jean.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Now, Jean is an online reading tutor, and she helps kids with dyslexia. So we are so happy to have you here and just telling us how you fixed this specific issue with Wix and all of that. So what did you do to be able to fix this whole issue that was going on with Wix?
Well, I went to the Wix.com dashboard, started there. And what I was seeing was other people's tags, they're called social media tags or social tags. I saw theirs with the writing on it, and mine just said Wix site, and I thought, or my site. And I said, well, I don't want mine to say my site. And for somehow my picture showed up, and I'm not sure how I did that, but I'll tell you how you can do it. And so I started just searching around and did the help section, and I didn't tell you that it actually took me about an hour or two to figure this thing out. And it wasn't until I was backing out of it that I said, oh, it's only 3 steps in. So I went a roundabout way, but the 3 steps are, you would go to your Wix.com, and over on the left side there's that panel. You go to settings, and then you open up the settings, and then you can scroll and you can look down and see social.
Yes.
So you go over to social, and if they had that like a little arrow or something, you push that, and then I believe that next page is where you can upload your photo.
Yes. It said upload an image, and then like that, simple, as easy as that. Now when you share your site, it's got your image, or if you wanted your logo, because you can choose whatever image you want, right? So it could be your face, or it could be your logo that is now going to show up versus my site, or in my case, it was Google Plus. That is so awesome. What an easy trick to be able to just fix that. Now, you had also said that it was really easy for you with being able to connect Google so that Google could index your website. You said that was really easy too. They sent you an email. Tell us about that.
Okay, yes. And I figured out that instead of going in, well, you can still go settings, and when you go over, I cannot remember the name of it. It's not social, the social part, but up above, I believe it's another one that says, may say SEO, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I have to look at it again. And so you follow that over, and you click there, and you end up with this form, because my thing was trying to get the writing on my thumbnail correct. And so that's what I was really going in to look for. And on this form, it starts talking about plugging in all your phrasings and tag words and things that you had figured out with SEO. So before you do that, go ahead and go to Google, figure out what you want to be found as or found for, so that when you're ranking your YouTube videos and your blog and your website, that you can already know what those SEO terms are that you want to put in to this form. And so you start just tagging them in, putting in your tags, and then I was able to put in what I wanted it to say on my thumbnail tag. This is for social media sharing. And so I thought, oh, okay. So I just put all that information in there, spent some time on it, and then saved it and went out. And then the next day I get an email from Wix and says, just one click and you can be connected to Google. I said, okay. So I opened the email, clicked, and I think there was actually one more click after that. And then it said, congratulations, you're connected to Google.
Woo! How
And I
easy is
thought,
that?
and I thought, okay, because I was hearing horror stories.
Yes.
And I think it's because I had been in there and had done all that SEO work,
Yeah, it could be.
answered all their questions. So then, and I didn't pursue at that point connecting to Google, but they were
I'm
nice
so
enough
glad
to
it was so
send me.
easy for you. That's
Yeah,
so awesome. I'm so glad that was
yeah.
so easy for you because it used to be a little bit of a nightmare. Like you had to actually take the code and figure out a way to be able to put the code inside of your Wix website. You know, when I first got Wix, they didn't have that ability to put that code in there. Like, I'm like, I don't know where I'm supposed to put this code, right? Like they didn't give me any ideas of where to put this code. And then later on, they had a place where you could put the code, and now they've even made it one step even easier. And
Mm-hmm.
that's what I love about Wix, you guys, is that it is drag and drop simple, and they just keep making it better. So if you're
I
looking,
know. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
They just keep saying, look at the new update, look what we're doing now, and I see other people say, oh, Wix is not SEO friendly, and yeah, it is.
yeah, it is, yeah,
They really are making a lot of improvements, and
yeah, they
a
really
lot of
have.
their emails are just amazing of what they're doing, what you can do on your Wix site.
Yeah, yeah. Which makes it so much easier for people like us, right? Like we are not website designers or creators, but we need a website and we need something that we can edit whenever we need to. Wix is a
Mm-hmm.
really great solution to be able to do that. So definitely, if you haven't checked out Wix, definitely check it out. And of course, as always, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you can be notified of other really cool tools when they come around. My name is Joanne Kaminski, helping you get found, hired, and referred. Here's till next time. Bye, everyone.